Welcome to Pip Insight. Tuesday the 14th of July, London pre-open. This session we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture, 3 showing bullish structure and 4 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's London pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure, dollar yen, dollar Swiss, Kiwi dollar. Pairs showing bearish structure, gold dollar, euro dollar, pound dollar, dollar Canada. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you're here for the gold analysis, you picked the right moment to tune in, because this market has been moving hard. Gold has sold off nearly $100 in just over 24 hours, dropping from the $4,089 area all the way down to a low of $3,990. As London opens, price is consolidating around $4,029, sitting in no man's land between two clearly defined zones, and the overall bias remains strongly bearish across the higher timeframes. On the H4 and H1 charts, structure is unambiguously bearish. Price is trading well beneath all 3 major moving averages, and while the RSI has pushed into deeply oversold territory, the lowest reading we've seen in this look back, the MACD is showing no reversal signal yet. Oversold doesn't mean buy, it means the selling has been aggressive. Now, the fundamental picture is where today gets interesting. We have US CPI data dropping at 8:30 Eastern. Forecasts suggest both headline and core inflation are cooling, headline expected at 3.8% against a prior 4.2%. Softer inflation typically weighs on the dollar and can provide a lift to gold. If that print surprises to the downside, watch for a sharp reactive bounce. Fed Chair Warsh also testifies at 10 o'clock, adding another layer of potential volatility. The levels to watch into this session are clear: $4,060 to $4,075 as the critical overhead resistance, and $3,990 to $4,005 as the support floor below. Euro dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.143 and 1.1445. Support is marked between 1.1375 and 1.1388. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.3385 and 1.3395. Support is marked between 1.3342 and 1.3355. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar yen. The chart is showing tentative bullish structure on this session. The moving averages are fanning above price. Resistance is marked between 162.45 and 162.49. Support is marked between 162.22 and 162.26. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.8149 and 0.8153. Support is marked between 0.8116 and 0.8125. Here is the full chart breakdown. Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.5802 and 0.581. Support is marked between 0.5765 and 0.5775. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Canada. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.4148 and 1.416. Support is marked between 1.411 and 1.4125. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the London pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.